So today we're going hiking. Very excited. We are going to drive to the entrance to where like you can hike up to the waterfall, because if we walked down the hill to get to the entrance, we'd have to walk back up after the hike, and we're not about that life.
Get out.
Oh, I just got hit in the face with a bug. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's a video. I don't know if we're halfway or not, but they're very far in front of me, leaving me behind. It's like mostly uphill, but that means coming back down will be downhill. So that's fun. Also, I'm not complaining that much. The view is very beautiful. Look at that view. Wow. Taking selfies. Beautiful. Nature's beautiful. I mean, it's fine. I didn't want to be in the family portrait anyways. There it is. So close. To like climb through those rocks to get over there. But we can do it, right guys?
Yeah.
I'm very sweaty. I don't think I have any bars.
Bars on bars.
Bars on bars on bars.
Spitting bars.
That's cute.
Look how sweaty I am. That was whoa, that was crazy.
I'm very soaking wet.
I'm dry still.
Dad didn't go into the waterfall.
I'm not a fool.
You're late.
A fool, you say? How rude.
Guys, my shoes are soaking wet.
My shirt is like soaked. But yeah, no, it's beautiful. I mean, you can't see it. Kinda. Wait. There we go. Beautiful.
Nice back line.
Yeah.
That's cold.
I know. I got inside the waterfall. I know it's cold.
Oh my god. This is refreshingly cold.
Refreshingly cold. I love my family. Harmony's not here. She didn't want to go on the hike. I don't know. She's missing out. Me too, girly. In where?
It felt really good.
Oh, I was like, in where? Yeah, you should have. It like was cold, but now it like feels really like refreshing.
Yeah, I know it must have been cold because my feet are frostbite.
But then like after a while, it doesn't like, it's not cold anymore. Maybe I'm just like
No
numbing.
feeling, yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever you guys are ready, I'm ready.
We survived the scary wall and the waterfall.
Scary wall and the waterfall.
Now it's all downhill, so easy peasy. Let's go. Back in the car, we made it down the mountain. I raced Keelyn to the, get your dirty feet out of my frame. Raced Keelyn to the car. I won shotgun. We heard like some weird band that was happening. It was like at the campsite, right?
I think it was at the Buddha.
At the Buddha?
The Buddha.
I don't know. Some guy on the trail was wearing the same shirt as Dad, so.
Yeah, the same shirt!
That was cool. Yeah. So like and subscribe for new videos every Sunday. Hey, hey. Subscribe. You have anything to say, Dad?
Subscribe or else we won't go hiking next Saturday.
So subscribe. Adios, les gustas.